लक्ष्मण घाट आपके निरीक्षण के लिए तैयार है महोदय।
Honorable Speaker and honorable members of the Goa Legislative Assembly. It is a privilege for me to welcome all of you to the first session of the Assembly for the year 2017. I wish to inform you that the session has been summoned to comply with the constitutional mandate under Article 174(1), which provides that 6 months shall not intervene between two consecutive sessions of the Assembly of a State. The sitting of the last session of this August Assembly was held on 31st August 2016, and therefore, by meeting today, the constitutional limit of 6 months has been complied with. Honorable members, you are aware that our state is in election mode. The polling has already taken place in the entire state on 4th February 2017. The counting of votes is scheduled on 11th March 2017, and the model code of conduct will be in force till the election process is completed.
तर लोकशाहीची थट्टा आहे कित्याक नुसतें 2 मिनटाचें भाशण आमकां नोटीस 15 तारखेक काडलेली तितूर आमचे रुल्स ऑफ बिजनेस द हावस इज एब्सोल्युटली स्पेसिफिक. जेन्ना रुल्स स्पेसिफिक नासता तेन्ना तुमी जाय ते करा.
Why they have called this session on the last day? Everybody was well aware about the constitutional requirement. If they wanted to call the session, they should have called it much before, 1 month or 1.5 months before. I think now they must have realized that assembly will be dissolved today night in case they don't hold this session. That is why they have abruptly decided to hold this session.
But you all were not given a chance to talk. What do you have to say?
Yesterday they have submitted invitation or that notice has reached to us on late in the night on Sunday. There is no agenda, nothing on the letter. It only says that governor will address. That's all. I couldn't go by any demand. Agenda na taje. Kai jaho na. It is said that only governor's speech.
No, but
They should allow, no.
मागतले पण उलोवपाक
विचार पळय तांच्या गव्हर्नराचें भाशण जाल्यार काय उलोवपाक मेळना. गव्हर्नराचें भाशण जाल्यार हावस इज एडजंट न्ही. ताणें समज अर्जंट सायंटाय गेले जाल्यार मागीर कितें करतलो तो. Normally, we used to adjourn for the lunch and then meet after the lunch.
Governor has said in his speech, her speech, that this is only a constitution. She is not taking up issues and nothing. So the very fact, the way she has started, in fact, as a legislator, I begin to ask myself why this assembly was required. The government has failed. It's a shame on part of the government to have an assembly like this. Means the governor calls an assembly. Now, where and when to speak? The moment governor got up, the national anthem, the moment governor came, the opposition leader was trying to say something, the national anthem. As soon as the national anthem, he says directly the assembly is dissolved. Assembly is adjourned.
It is a technical session, just technical session, because elections are over. The fate of next assembly is sealed. Just to fulfill the constitutional mandate, this day's session has been convened. It is just to fulfill the constitutional mandate.
गव्हर्मेंट म्हणून आमचे पक्का डिसिजन आसा की सुप्रीम कोर्टान जें डिसिजन दिलां तें रिव्यू पेटिशन घालून आमी जे आमचे बारकार इफेक्टेड जाल्ले आहा, होलसेलर इफेक्टेड जाल्ले आहा तांकां आउट ऑफ द वे वचून सपोर्ट करपाक जाय.
अटेंड करता आमदार उणयल्या ती मुख्यमंत्र्याची विधानसभेंतली लास्ट इच्छा आशिल्ली म्हणून अटेंड